the axis of rotation, also known as the wobble effect. The Earth's axis has an axis of rotation, and, just like a top, the axis spins. The angle does not change, only the direction of the axis. The axis of rotation will complete a full cycle approximately every 26,000 years. Today, this is how the seasons correlate with the axis of rotation and its orbit around the Sun. "3,000 years ago, the axis of rotation and the seasons would have looked like this. "3,000 years from today, the axis of rotation will have moved more than 1/9 of a full cycle. Therefore, in 13,000 years, the occurrence of the seasons will be opposite than it is from this year. After 26,000 years, the axis of rotation will have completed a full cycle, and the occurrence of the seasons in the Earth's orbit will start over. In relation to the stars, the Earth's axis currently points toward the star Polaris. Due to the axis of rotation, the Earth's axis will be pointing somewhere near the star Vega in 13,000 years.
चांद की गर्दिशें और हालतें। जिस तरह हमारी जमीन सूरज के गिर्द मुसलसल गर्दिश करती रहती है, ठीक इसी तरह हमारी जमीन के गिर्द भी एक फल्की कुर्रा मुसलसल गर्दिश करते रहता है। इसी फल्की कुर्रे को हम चांद कहते हैं। चांद को जमीन का ताबे सैयारा भी कहा जाता है। जमीन की तरह चांद की भी दो गर्दिशें होती हैं। चांद के अपने इस महवर के गिर्द होने वाली गर्दिश को चांद की महवरी गर्दिश कहते हैं। जमीन की महवरी गर्दिश के मुकाबले में चांद की महवरी गर्दिश बहुत सुस्त रफ्तार से